On behalf of GDM, I'm excited to talk about our very first renewal cycle. At this point in GDM's journey, we have real members who have successfully been enrolled with GDM for over 6 months and have completed their first renewal cycle. This is so exciting for us as we now get to dig in to the real results and hear just how much GDM saved for some of our good driving community. Their excellent driving habits, along with those of other members in the community, have not only ensured safe driving, but also they've helped them save a substantial amount of money. Let's walk through real members' actual savings after their 6-month plan with GDM. In this chart, you can see 7 columns. Starting on the left, the columns are as followed. First, member ID. This is an anonymized way to track members without using their identifying information like their name. Next, you have their original quote for a 6-month plan of GDM. Next, their service fee, which is 20% paid on day 1. Next, their total sharing contribution amount over the course of their 6-month plan. Next, their remaining pledge balance saved, which is their total savings from their original quote that they never had to pay. Next, this is the savings value shown in a percentage. And finally, in the last column, you can see the total number of eligible events that these members contributed to over the course of their 6-month plan. It's amazing to see just how many eligible events people were able to help contribute to, and at the same time, every single person in this chart was able to save over 70% of their original quote with GDM. I want to highlight one case in particular. If you look at the bottom line, this member was quoted $443, but only ended up paying just $115 in total over their 6-month plan. That's a savings of roughly $327 or 73%. These stats clearly show the efficiency of GDM. If you're interested in saving money with GDM's alternative to collision and comprehensive, we encourage you to download Good Driver Mutuality today and start by getting a quote. Thanks so much for listening. One important thing to note is that GDM members with no accidents may save up to 40%. We've achieved these amazing results, and there are 2 main reasons for these significant savings. Firstly, GDM made a one-time contribution of $2 million to the Mutuality program during its initial launch. Secondly, members' safe driving habits have led to a low accident rate. These 2 factors have greatly contributed to the savings of early accident-free members. However, it's important to note that the actual savings for each member are not guaranteed and may vary depending on individual driving behavior and the overall performance of the community. Thanks so much for listening. See you again soon.